Today, I'm going to do a review on XXL and Co Scrunchies. I will give my honest opinion and let you know if I would buy these scrunchies again or not. So stay tuned and see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG Scrunchie Club. I am the Scrunchie creator, Lamiel, and for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. Okay, let me not roll my neck. But anywho, let's get into today's video. But before we get started, I must tell you about my OMG Scrunchie Club scrunchie. Today, I am rocking the Bendy XXL Scrunchie from OMG Scrunchie Club. It is a lovely pink satin scrunchie covered with butterflies, dragonflies, and ladybugs. So get your spring scrunchie today. Free shipping in the USA. Hey, that kind of rhymed. But today's video, let's get started. It is about XXL and Co. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the XXL and Co scrunchie that I received. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to give you a review, an unbiased review. I'm going to give you a review about the quality, the price point, customer service, as well as if I would buy this scrunchie or not. So let's go into it. So, comes in this lovely envelope. I only ordered one scrunchie. I got Hannah, which is a pink rose scrunchie. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to have fun with this video today. Inside of my mysterious bag is an XXL sticker. Cool sticker here, as well as a little thank you card. I'm pretty sure all of you have seen this thank you card, and it has my name on the other side. So here is a nice little branded paper bag with a scrunchie inside. So let's see. Ooh, pink. I like pink. Pink is a nice color. So on the scrunchie, it says go big or go home. And this is some artwork by Tina. Lovely artwork, I must say. And it says handmade in Ontario. And on the back, it says you should and deserve to be comfy and cute. When you feel good, you can focus more on what's important to you. We believe in doing our best, wanting more from life, and dreaming big. Life's too short to fear that you're not good enough. There is no one else that can make your dreams come true except for you. We're all born to be XXL. Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's get into this review here. So I'm going to carefully open this. Open it up. Okay, so, oh, look at that. Inside, it has a warning label, but it's not your typical warning label to say don't do something. It's a cute warning label. It says, warning, wearing this scrunchie may cause you to have extreme confidence in yourself. We advise the world to watch out for you. Yes, cute. So, as far as branding and on this packaging, A+. A+. You have it on the outside, so when you go to the mailbox, you know exactly what you're getting and who it's coming from. The packaging on the scrunchie, the card was nice. The stickers as well as this coupon card was nice as well. But let's get into this scrunchie. So A+ for that. The scrunchie. This is the moment you've all been waiting for. So while we're looking at this scrunchie here, I will say I have been making scrunchies since like the 90s. But I was inspired to make a YouTube channel because of Tina, to be honest. I was like, I'm never going to do YouTube. But then I saw Tina's, the first video that I saw was suggested to me by YouTube. And I want to say it was the one where she talked about how she grew on social media, which I'm still struggling with, but I'm working on it. And I was like, hey, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. I'm almost 40 people, but I was like, it's never too late to start. What do I have to lose? I stay at home, work at home, teach at home, work at home mom. So stay at home mom. So I was like, hey, if I can find time to do it, I'll try. But back to this scrunchie. Thanks, Tina. Shout out for you for helping me find the confidence to do a YouTube channel. But anywho, here is the scrunchie. It is nice. It has the logo here. So it has the XXL logo. It is a nice, soft satin feel too. So very soft and silky. So for quality, I give you an A+. But let's go over to the price point, people. So in America, the conversion of the Canadian dollar, I think you use dollars. I don't know what it's called, but someone, if I'm saying it wrong, please forgive me. The conversion is different. So for this one scrunchie, I paid $19 for it. Do I think that is too high? My answer to that is no, because it's handmade and it's your business. You can price your scrunchies or whatever products you're selling at whatever price point you want. There is someone that will buy it. So some people complain about scrunchies costing too much, but hey, there is a marketplace for people that want to buy inexpensive scrunchies versus people that want to buy more expensive scrunchies. And you can tell the difference in the quality of scrunchies based off of the price sometimes. But this scrunchie for quality gets an A. At this one scrunchie, with the shipping being $11, which was more than half of the cost of the scrunchie, the total cost for me to get this scrunchie in my hand was, drumroll, $30. Yes, my friend, $30 for a scrunchie. Yep, this scrunchie is going to go a lot of places because I spent $30 on a scrunchie. But I'm not complaining about that because guess what? At the end of the day, I didn't have to buy the scrunchie, but I decided to buy the scrunchie. I have no problem with supporting small businesses. So let's jump into customer service with, not OMG Scrunchie, I'm sorry. Let's jump into customer service with XXL and Co. They have superb customer service. So I will give them an A+. My scrunchie, I ordered it and somehow it got lost. It never made it to America. The tracking number was still being tracked. And it took about a month for that. And I reached out to Tina and her team and they were like, no problem, we'll get another scrunchie sent to you. And I got that one in probably like a week and a half or so. So customer service is great. Price point, I will say yes, the price point is good. My only issue is an issue of shipping, which is not Tina's fault because she's not the postal service. So there's nothing you can do about that. So I just hate the shipping price. Same here, if I ship something from America to Canada, the shipping price, I had to ship scrunchies to Canada and it was doing a free scrunchie giveaway. So I was giving away scrunchies and the customers didn't have to pay shipping. I was paying like $14, $15 just to ship one scrunchie from here to Canada. So I understand and I don't blame her for the shipping price point. So people, if you have an issue with the shipping, it's not her fault. It's not anyone's fault. It's just the way shipping is. So to conclude this video, would I buy another XXL and Co scrunchie? Unfortunately, my answer is yes and no. Yes, I would buy it because the quality is good. No, I wouldn't buy it because it costs too much to get it shipped here. And the other no is because I make scrunchies, of course. But if I have friends in Canada that don't want to pay for shipping in America, I would say, hey, get your scrunchie from XXL and Co Scrunchies. So I hope that this video was informative, entertaining, to you. And if you have any scrunchie companies that you would like for me to do an honest review on, please leave a link or a comment in the comment section below to that company. I have no problem, as I said, with supporting small businesses. I'm a small business myself, so I know how it is. But I want to thank you all for watching this video and have a wonderful day. Be blessed. See you next time. Bye-bye.